All right, Rick, I got one for you. Here's a Cooterette. Cooterette right there. So we pulled her Jeep in. The driver's side window would not go up. It's up now. Tested it here at the motor. See the wires? Pick up the wires. So I put a couple test wires in right here. Just a couple test wires up into the motor plug. We had no power and ground switching right here. So I put a couple test wires in. Delanie put the power probe to it. Where's the power probe? Power probe. Best electrical diagnostic tool man has ever seen.
Push it on.
And voila, the window went up and down just fine. So what we did was we plugged the harness back in. And I said, hey, just for the heck of it, maybe it's a switch in the middle. But I said, just for the heck of it, let's unplug it here under the dash. So she did. And she pulled. Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Hi, this is Ethan. Ethan's my nephew. Ethan's helping down here in the garage. So we pulled this out and we tried the same test right here. So the same two heavy gauge, you could see Delanie's calling it teal, and white wire. Those two right there, the heaviest ones in this plug, go all the way to here. Nothing, still nothing. So then we checked, let's check continuity. Check the teal one first, from here to here, nothing. Check the white one from here to here, good. So I said, all right, I bet you we have a short in the harness, in the door, where it's constantly flexing, opening and closing. So I gave Delanie a utility knife. She started cutting it apart, and sure enough, found the teal wire broken.
Completely broken.
So we're probably going to cut this back. We're probably going to cut this back. I don't want to put a connector on there where it's bending, because obviously where it's bending is where it broke.
Yeah.
We'll put one here and one up here somewhere, and we'll splice in a new piece of wire.
Yeah.
All right?
Sounds good.
And then what do you think? Yeah, thumbs up from you, I know.
He gets to play with the heat shrinker.
He could use a heat shrink gun, yeah.
I mean, that's my favorite part.
Oh, that's a great tool
I'll
for
let
you.
you do it.
All right.
It's fun.
That's it for now.